Welcome back. Welcome back to Farm Naija. Today I'll be showing you how to connect your Tone wallet with your Bloom. So all you have to do is click on the wallet. The wallet is just um, after the friends option. Okay, you click on wallet, which is down here. When you click on wallet, you click on connect, and then it will give you these options. You connect with Telegram, which is open wallet in Telegram, or Tonekeeper, or my Tone wallet. As for me, I will do it with open wallet with Telegram. Okay, so I'll click on open wallet with Telegram. You can also use Tonekeeper if you like. Okay, so that's based on the wallet you have, and then click on connect, and that's just it. There's nothing else to do. So um I believe you get a good information from this. If you are yet to subscribe to the channel, please like and subscribe to the channel. And also, the comment section is open for you to ask questions, so you can ask questions and I'll answer you. So until then, I'll see you some other time.